Wenzhou Mingsheng Locks Company Limited is located in Wenzhou City, Zhejiang Province, which is China's lock production base. Our company is the professional manufacturer, specializing in lock cylinder, door locks, and other home hardware fittings. With experience of 9 years, our factory covers in the area of 2,621 square meters. It has 110 employees, and with high supply capacity, average 550,000 pieces per month. We keep innovating and progressing with a complete set of equipment, completing exploration as designed, producing, and selling. Our products are widely welcomed and export to many brand companies, chain stores, government projects, private projects of European, America, Australia, Japan, and Southeast Asia. With our designer and electrical discharge machining, and by listening and understanding the wishes of the user, we provide mold solutions to help customers realize their dream design becomes true. Besides ODM and OEM, we also provide ready-to-ship products, fast delivery. It do a great favor for customer to be quick turnover. We not only have quality control stuff during each process of production, but also have second-time inspection to make quality assurance for customer. And we support Alibaba Trade Assurance as a free service to protect customer orders from payment to delivery. Our principle is quality first, delivery in time, payment safe, VIP service. We listen and look forward to your inquiries and exciting as well as successful projects with you.